Good morning, departure Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, 9 Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, 9 Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
Hey there, buddy. I hope you're doing well, and thank you so much for watching the channel. Thanks for supporting the channel with your questions, comments, and feedback. Just a short video today here from John C. Toon Airport. Here we're in the hangar. We've got 379 Juliet Mike here, and this airplane's kind of been sitting for about the last 3 to 4 weeks. Unfortunately, I've been busy flying for other clients and doing other flying, and so I haven't been able to fly this too much. And then, unfortunately, I contracted a case of pneumonia right before Christmas, so I was recovering from that. So hope to be back in the air on this beautiful aircraft pretty soon. I wanted to let you know I have a really interesting flight tomorrow in a brand new Vision Jet. It's a G2 Plus, and it's literally brand new. Less than 15 hours of airtime on it. It was just recently purchased from Cirrus Aircraft. Last week I flew it from the Atlanta area to Nashville. Tomorrow, which will be December 29th, I'm flying the airplane from John C. Toon Airport here in Nashville all the way to Thermal, California. It's about 1,600 nautical miles. And of course, that's way too long for a nonstop flight in a Vision Jet. So we're going to be stopping in Tulsa, Oklahoma for fuel, followed by a fuel stop in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And should be a good day of flying. The unfortunate part is I cannot show you guys the flight videos from that because of I don't have consent from the owner to do that, but I can show you the airplane as it's parked on the ramp here at John C. Toon Airport. It's a beautiful aircraft. You'll see it's a beautiful gray and red color combination, and again it's a G2 Plus with all the latest and greatest features from Cirrus Aircraft. So it'll be an exciting day of flying. Again, 1,600 nautical miles and about 6.5 hours of flight time all total, and we'll be making 2 fuel stops along the way. So it should be great. Arriving in Southern California, the airport elevation in Thermal is minus 114 feet. In other words, 114 feet below sea level. So it's going to be an interesting and actually a first time for that for me. And of course, the departing airport prior to that will be in Albuquerque, which has about a 5,400 foot airport elevation. So we'll be departing from a high elevation airport and landing at an airport below sea level. So anyway, it'll be an interesting day of flying. I wish I could videotape that one for you, but unfortunately we can't. But I also want to wish each and every one of you a happy, prosperous, and safe new year. I hope 2023 brings you many gifts of love, laughter, and fun. And certainly I hope it presents lots of opportunities to fly for me as well. And I appreciate you guys coming along on all these videos. So from John C. Toon Airport here, we got 379 Juliet Mike behind me, and we're going to go take a look at the brand new Vision Jet, the G2 Plus, that I'll be flying to Southern California tomorrow. And I really appreciate you guys coming along on all these videos. I wish the best to you, and safe flying, and Well, I appreciate you guys coming along on today's video, and I hope you enjoyed looking at that brand new Generation 2 Vision Jet that we'll be flying tomorrow. And thanks a lot for coming along on today's video. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great new year.